Hi everyone, in this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create your very own NFT. We have an ongoing Happy Fox NFT drawing challenge. Join the challenge and submit your unique variations of this image. Grab a chance to feature your art piece as an NFT in OpenSea. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels for more tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open the sketch desk and create a new canvas. Next, open up a few drawing layers. Initially, by using the angle highlight tool, create the outline of the fox. To draw the bottom part of the fox, tap on the circle stencil from the Shapes library. Now, start drawing the eyes, the nose and the mouth. You can use the circle stencil again for a perfect eyeball. With that said, let's move on to the bottom part of the fox. By using the symmetrical tool, I would be drawing the body and the coat. For the background, tap on the square shape stencil. And sketch it out. Now, duplicate the layer of the fox to fill the happy fox with beautiful colors. So, I start by dragging and dropping black color for the eyeballs. And then, to the head, I have used light brown. For the bottom part of the fox's face, I have used a hue similar to the color white. Always color until you're satisfied with it. Now unlock the alpha. Then, for the body part, I used the pastel tool for the painting process. Easily use the paint bucket tool to tap and drop the colors for the other elements of the illustration. Note that you can use your preferred colors and brushes on your NFT. To make my happy fox attractive, I would be adding more details for certain parts of fox. For a rosy effect, select the spray bush with pink color and add it to the ear and cheeks. Moving on, for the shine in the eyes, use a platinum tool with blue color. Also, add some shadows using the roller brush with a bit darker shade of brown with reduced opacity for the Happy Fox elements. Now for the tie, you can use the pattern from the roller brush. You can also add a pattern to the red color bit of the tie. Afterward, for the background, use the gradient tool. We are almost there. If necessary, now you can add certain elements like crowns and hats according to your Happy Fox. I would be going with a crown, and to do it, using the pen tool, start outlining the crown. Drag and drop the colors using the paint bucket tool. For the shadows, use dark brown with reduced opacity. Add in some highlights as well. Now that the crown is done, place it accordingly until you're satisfied with its placement. To help with the placement, make use of the transform tool. Furthermore, add more details. Lastly, for the shadow use the spray tool and then the roller tool. And that's a wrap, you have got yourself a unique variation of Happy Fox NFT. Don't forget to join our NFT drawing challenge and feature your piece in OpenSea. Also, tap on the bell icon to be part of Drawing Desk YouTube fam.